Hmm. Okay. We're chilling then. I just gotta be careful about slamming my mouse on the desk and just tapping it in general. But other than that, everything should be pretty good. Which gets me to the first thing we're gonna work on today, which is fixing up the open arena. So let's do 2 players. Go to level actors, give kit volume, and then we're looking at, okay, maybe it is the wire that actually makes that sound. Which kind of sucks because this wire is freaking hanging down by my legs. Okay, whatever. I guess it's like slightly higher. Anyway, picking up those keyboard sounds, which is kind of crazy. We're gonna need more measures than that, but the infinite flag is working. Just throw a 0 on there. That should be good. Alright, well that sorts out that. That's actually kind of the only problem we really had to fix. I had to fix another problem with the Discord request shards webhook not working. It's because I changed the game terminal to run on server for some reason. This was running on server. It's now not replicated. We'll see if, okay, you can't see that right now. Yeah, no, not that. That one, okay. This was running on server for some reason when it wasn't supposed to be. Or I don't know if it was supposed to be or not there. Hopefully I changed it on accident, but it's now not replicated, so it's working. I don't think this is even in use, but I'm gonna leave it. I don't mess with it really. Anyway, actually, okay, that's fine. But we're gonna close that. Yeah, like I said, that was the only thing I really needed to fix. The other thing I want to do is we're gonna make a new arena, I think. Call it. Just gonna do this. Okay. So this was something we tried doing. It's we want this. Oh boy. Okay. What the frick is going on? Okay, there we go. That's not what I want. Okay. Excellent. Minus 10. 10. We're actually gonna. Yeah. No. Otherwise, they're gonna be the same, right? Yeah. So we're gonna do like that. I don't know why that's okay. We're just gonna go like that for now. Okay. Oh, that's why. Well, I kind of want that. So yeah, I think that's what I want. What the frick is going on? All right. Well, I need the tutorial. Stupid, I guess. Fine.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet.
Mute that.
So if I were to just drag in some more to do, is you obviously want to actually create your AI.
Yes.
A custom event,
Uh-huh.
as the pawn is just the AI which it wants to move.
AI moved. Wait a second.
Just to make it slightly different. Go into our content browser, and what I'm going to do is go into my third person folder, blueprints, and select and copy, so hit Control C, my third person character blueprint. I'm going to go back to the folder where I want my AI, and hit Control V to paste that character blueprint.
One moment, please. You're telling me I need to do. I need to do this. We're gonna do walking. Actually, do this. You're gonna do this. Walking. Mannequin. Walking mannequin, right? You're looking quite spiffy. And SK. He's even got hair. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's not letting me. Man. Oh well. Yeah, I moved to itself. Serious right now? Oh, jeez.
There. I'll hit like components that I don't need, for example, the camera and all that stuff. And I'm also just going to change the mesh over to be the male mannequin instead of the female one, just to make it slightly different. So we'll compile just because the blueprint, do the random delete all from my AI blueprints and select.
Do we even have that? Maybe I use that guy instead.
And copy, so hit Control C, my third person character blueprint. I'm going to go back to the folder where I want my AI, and hit Control V, code and components that I don't need. Setup for us is right click anywhere in the box next to it there, by radius. So it's just going to get a random area that it can actually reach within a scene. You can either put as the center of the map, or what I like to do is just get actor location. An area, but if it is on success, call function random roam again. So once they get to that location, they're going to continue moving. Now what you can do is you can put a delay after the on success and before random roam, so it just waits a little bit before moving again, but I like to keep it like this because it just looks nice and fluid. So we'll compile
It's pretty simple.
and save that, and that is all the code done for us, all we need to do. We'll close this, and the final step in the project is just to actually define the area that the AIs can move in. So this also just allows them to actually move. So what we're going to do is go up to the Add to Project up in the top left here, go down to Volumes, and get the top one of Nav Mesh Bounds Volume. And again, this just means the AI can actually move in our level. So what we want to do is just place this in the middle of our level somewhere, and then just expand this to cover the area and the size which we want the AIs to be able to move in. Again, also making sure you go vertically as well, so they can go both up and down too. And just to test to see where this covers, we can press P, and anywhere that is green means the AI can go there. So this is perfect for me. If it's red, that means they can't move there, and if there's nothing there, so it's not green or red, that also means they can't go there. So you want to make sure you move it about until it's perfect for you. So if I were to just drag some AI in a level, we should see this working perfectly of them all just moving about, random roaming, minding their own business. Hit play like so, and you'll notice they're not actually moving. So let's have a look at why that is, and I do actually know.
I know exactly what it is too.
It's because I forgot to actually call this random roam code to begin with. So what we're going to do is hold down P and left click to get event begin play.
Where are you? Oh no, you didn't. Oh, you bastard. Okay. Oh, and it says it's running. It's not.